So, this is what I got from Victor for Christmas, and that is my scared dog, which is already scared of the item. Can you put her down?
She doesn't want to go down. She's holding.
Just put her down.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna start. She's over here.
Let me see the video scene.
Hold on, I'm still recording. She's so scared. Oh, she's so scared. Hurry. She's like, please don't.
How do you play it?
There's a roll button.
I just turned off.
Alright, I'm gonna go.